So hello, good day. This is in continuation to how you can install Stata. So I'm still working out how we can have the access to Stata because it lacks the code. So I'll be asking from STCS a copy of that code so that we can access Stata. So um, for the meantime, I will discuss first what is Stata and before we proceed on how we can use it, how we can use the application itself. So let's define first what is Stata. So Stata, this is the pronunciation. This is based on Wikipedia. Stata, or occasionally or alternative um, um, pronunciation is Tata. Occasionally stylized as this one, S naka-caps lock siya, S-T-A, so Stata, is a general purpose statistical software package developed by Stata Corporation for data manipulation, visualization, statistics, and automated reporting. It is used by researchers in many fields, including biomedicine, epidemiology, sociology, and science, and even including us for economics, for econometrics specifically. So for Stata, there are different um, different ways to use it. It can be used for correlation, regression, for plots, for descriptive statistics, and a lot more that we will be able to do during our face-to-face. So from the creation of Stata has always employed an integrated command line interface starting with version 8.0. Stata has included a graphical user interface based on Qt framework which uses menus and dialog boxes. So makita na to ang mga menu, mga dialog boxes, and even codes. We will learn about different codes in order to in order for the Stata to function efficiently, di ba? Natay mga codes na hinumduman and mga certain mga i-remember dapat na buttons to click, okay? Buttons to click and buttons not to click, okay? And then the data set can be viewed or edited in spreadsheet format in First Data. From version 11 on, other commands can be executed while the data browser editor is open. So the one that we have is Stata 13, and hopefully it will function during our laboratory hours. And since it's upgraded, mas daghan patag ma-use. Mas madaghan tag ma-manipulate or ma-explore in Stata 13. So the development of Stata began, just a quick history lang. Development of Stata began in 1984, initially by William Gould and later by Sean Becketti. The software was originally intended to compete with statistical programs for personal computers such as System and MicroTSP. Stata was written then as now in the C programming language, initially for PCs running and the DOS operating system. So for wala siya ang Stata wala siya sa phone. Okay, dili nimo siya ma-access sa phone, laptops lang and computers. So the first version was released in 1985 with 44 commands. Dugay na siya kayo, 1985. 44 commands lang before. But now, daghan na siya kaayo commands. Okay, na-update naman ko siya. Pamaayo. So that's just a brief definition and history of Stata. So this is this is what it would look like if we open it, diba? Wala po siya Excel in a way. Kaya naa siya ang menu bar, kaning na file, edit data, graphics, statistics, user Windows help, and then makita diri dapit ang mga variables, mga properties, and then ang command here, diri nimo i-type ang mga codes, diri sa command, and then we will learn all about that during our face-to-face puhon. Okay? So, if once na naan ako'y copy sa code in order for if the Stata to function, I will update everyone. So for now, just rest muna, magpahinga muna tayo. Kutob lang sa dinhi. And the continuation for Stata will be on during na sa ato ang face-to-face. And then for tomorrow and for 2A in Friday, we will be discussing na about regression. Okay, we were done with correlation using Microsoft Excel. Let's proceed now with regression using Stata. You can use regression. You can use Microsoft Excel code in regression. There is a regression in data analysis toolpack sa Excel. And we will also discuss about that, okay, during our face-to-face. For Stata, for the following weeks ahead, we will be focusing na on Stata. So that's it. I will update you and hopefully, na good tayo magamit, ma-available na good ang mga PCs kay hapit na nga to ang midterm examination. So that's it. I will be sending a copy of this, the references into the Google Classroom. That's it. Goodbye, everyone, and see you on Thursday and Friday, where I will be discussing regression. Okay, goodbye, everyone.